Hello. Come on. Here. Go back. Hello. Get back here. Oh, there you are. Come back. Connect. There's something I belong to do. Please like and subscribe. Or else my heart will be broken.
Your heart will be broken. Do you guys want to tell everybody where we are?
We are in Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. Do you know what we're doing in Pennsylvania?
No.
No, we're going to Gettysburg, Philadelphia. I know, but they closed the pool. Should we show everybody the rest of the house?
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's go.
So, a little short at the end of this video. Feel like a little thing, like a minute, like.
Really cute little. Did I? I've gotten braver since we went to the Butterfly Museum, I guess.
Mommy, we have a backyard, don't we?
We do have a backyard.
Yeah, let's go check the backyard out.
I think it's just a shed. Probably off limits. But it is a nice area. It's a nice big backyard. I think that other side is for the neighbors. So this is the host. The host is right next door here. Hello. Welcome. Welcome to Pennsylvania. It is. The flowers are probably really nice when it's like not at the end of the season. But look at the whole backyard. Like a sweet setup. The pergolas?
Is that what you call that?
Yeah.
Oh, do we have marshmallows here?
Maybe.
There's other. I've seen other houses that have them too, but they're all like that. They're open roof.
I love pergolas. They're fun. They're decorative more than anything.
By the way, I haven't seen a single being. Sorry. Since you got that test.
No, I think that's a good thing. We can talk about it. We can explain. Yeah, so when we got here, there was just a bee's nest in the
like a
beginning.
ground
It really
wasp
wasn't anything to be worried about or anything, but he took care of it right away.
Yeah.
It was good, really attentive. We'll show you some of the really cool things. This is one of the better hosts that we've,
Yeah.
they're definitely super accommodating.
Show them my bee
We'll show you.
sting.
The host provides a whole bunch of activities for kids over here. So they got some skaters.
Actually,
Yeah, but
I'm not kidding.
you want to say like, welcome to our crib?
I don't. I always thought that show was so obnoxious.
So we already filled out the doorway with our shoes and stuff, so ignore that. But those are not our walking sticks.
Celebrities would show you like inside what were supposed to be their houses, but they were actually more often than not they were just other.
Really nice seating area.
See, look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
And honestly, this place is way bigger than it looks from outside. It's very unassuming outside, and it just goes way back.
It looks smaller on camera too. Right, bathroom number 1. They really put a lot of work into this bathroom. Hi, Emmett. Yes. So the host provides a whole bunch of adult beverages if you choose to partake, which we do not, but it's there. Thank you, Emmett. It's there if you choose. Some really nice selections here from the host. The host also provides continental breakfast. We have a nice little breakfast area over here.
There is a White Claw in the wine fridge.
We have a nice wine fridge slash coffee bar over here. And this little fridge here came with all sorts of different drinks.
I'm going to get some water. I know, yeah, I'm ready for some dinner.
And the kids have really been enjoying eating at the bar over here for breakfast and dinner.
This is the door that I tried to go
What's for dinner,
out
Dad?
to the deck.
The pergola is gorgeous.
The whole place is nice. The whole place is really, really nice.
Those are all of our magnets. We take them with us everywhere and get a magnet every time we go someplace.
What if we run out of room on the fridge?
Huh?
What if we run out of room on the fridge?
That's a good question. We haven't run out of room on the fridge yet.
This big's basically half the fridge is.
And then we have a little back porch over here. We put our e-bikes out here and just like some storage stuff, washer dryer, basement, and the host asks you to stay out of the basement, so we have. All right, should we take you guys up to the second floor?
Let's show them our refrigerator.
One note on the kitchen.
Dang it!
One note on the kitchen. If you like to cook, there is a 5-burner gas range. Gas is better than electric.
Is it?
That's my hot take for this video.
Okay.
Gas will always be better than electric.
I don't cook, so. All right, let's bring them upstairs. You guys want to come upstairs? See the second floor of our Camp Hill house? All right, so we have a nice little setup in the hallway here. Let's start in our room.
It's only for breakfast and brunch. It closes at like 3 o'clock. It's like 4:30, 5 o'clock.
This is our space.
We got a comfy bed right over here for Mom and Daddy.
And this is our bed.
Okay, Mom. Show them. Show them. Show them the TV. They have a very soft bed for rolling. The long way home.
And then out here, we have a pretty awesome little setup.
This was a.
Yeah, you can see that's the host side of the house. Really great view of the backyard. Nice little spot to sit and do your work.
You can even just stare. I'm just blowing in the air.
It's nice.
Did you put the light on and everything?
No. I came out here.
Come on, guys.
I came out there at like 7:30 in the morning. I was staying up there till like 11.
Yeah. You have to go down here more often.
Yeah. They're doing some work over there on that property too. That has been a little bit loud, but
more often.
that's not the host's fault.
Maybe we could have like a little picnic out here.
You want to have a little picnic out here?
In there.
All right, let's keep moving.
Guys, yeah, I just like
We'll bring you over into the bathroom. This is our bathroom. Just a basic shower. We don't need to get all in there.
Do you like this? Do you like this middle ball? Sorry.
This is the room we have like most of our stuff out in. So all my work stuff is out, but they also included a whole bunch of toys and activities for kids to play with. We have our own bins in here. But this is where I've been doing all my work.
We have a gaming PC.
It's not a gaming PC, buddy. It's an Xbox One.
And they provide all of this.
We have Xbox One that I might.
But all of our work stuff, school stuff, everything is basically in here in the office space. And now we go down the hallway to what has recently become the kids' room. This is where the kiddos are sleeping. They had the option of sleeping in separate beds, but they still like to sleep together. So they're gonna share this room. Gorgeous space. And now we'll go up to the 3rd floor. So this is the room that I thought the kids were gonna want to sleep in. I took there was one of these little desks right here, but I took it and brought it down to our room so that I could have a table next to my bed. But I thought this is where the kids were gonna want to sleep, but they didn't. They still like to sleep together.
Did you literally not show? Wait, Mom.
And then on the 3rd floor,
This is our bathroom.
we have a gorgeous shower. The kids are the ones using this bathroom. And then this is the room that the kids were going to stay in, but they were too loud upstairs on the 3rd floor. But there's multiple king-size beds, multiple spaces for the kiddos to be able to spread out should they choose. What are you doing on the floor?
We just want to say that Pennsylvania is a really good place, and if you're booking an Airbnb to stay at a hotel or Airbnb to stay at, you should pick this one, especially if you have little ones.
Oh, you think this is a good Airbnb for families? What do you think of Pennsylvania compared to Maine?
Maine is way better.
You think Maine is way better?
Pennsylvania might be gaining on it.
What did we do on Wednesday? Did you enjoy that?
Oh yeah. We had ice cream schoolwork.
Ice cream schoolwork, yeah. Do you like being homeschooled?
Yes. Yeah. Like yeah.
So we only have a couple weeks left in Pennsylvania, actually.
I think Pennsylvania is actually 1 meter away from Maine.
What are you most excited about? Are you excited to go to Gettysburg? Are you excited to see the Amish people?
I'm excited to see everything.
Everything. Okay.
Where are we going?
This week we have 3 field trips planned, tentatively. All right, guys, I think we're gonna end our video here. We did our Airbnb tour, our first ever Airbnb tour. What'd you think?
Great.
Do you think this is a good place to call home for 4 weeks?
Yeah.
All right, Emmett. Ellie, do you think you can handle finishing our video today?
Chupacabra. Yes. Like, subscribe, and leave a good comment. And comment a heart emoji if you love your mom and dad.
Aww.
Hello, guys. I have one thing to tell you. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to the video, or its heart will be broken.